Good day, everybody. This is Vic from V-Drive. Hope you're doing amazing today. Bringing it to you, one of my favorite manual coupes that ever exist on this planet. Beautiful looking 2016 M4. This is the base model, but there are like few other higher models like the M Competition, and there is a convertible, so as the GTS. But this is one of the cheapest one that you can get. Still a decent amount of power. They started this body style in 2015, and they launched this overall, the specs and everything in 2015, and they ran this up to 2020. You can see that's a really nice look. Look at this, very cool looking. It has decent amount of power, and I'm just going to quickly show you the back end of the vehicle. There are like dual exhaust on both the sides, gives a really nice finish to the vehicle there. I'm going to quickly pop the hood so I can show you the engine, how it looks like, and we'll talk about the power. All right, here it is. This is 3-liter twin-turbo inline-six, putting out 425 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. That you can achieve at 1850 RPM through the rear wheels and 6-speed manual. That's what's make it special. Now, if you would like to get more power out of it, you can definitely tune this. You can add couple stages of tune from proper European car spec out shops, and you can get up to like 550 horsepower as well, and of course increase the amount of fun you can get out of this car. Again, can you go higher than that? Yes, you can, but just to be on the safe side, 550 is more reasonable than ever. But let me just show you the interior on the vehicle, then we will go for a quick ride so I can show you how much fun it is to drive this bad boy. Here it is. Check this out. It comes with this nice brown red interior. Inside here you will see the nice M badge at the back. When you get the GTS BMW, you also get like a blacked out badge, or in some of them you also get the illumination badge, which is pretty cool. And if you'll just grab this handle behind the seat, you can move your seats like this, and at the back you can put more passengers, but it's more fun when there's only two people sitting in the front, which I personally like the most. So at the front end here you get these nice adaptive front end lights, so when you're taking a turn, the lights actually turn side by side. You have the M4 badge at the front, and of course you have the M spec out wheels with all the holes and through the rotor, so it can provide you better heat dissipation, and of course your blue red calipers, signature blue BMW ones, and of course same that you get at the back as well here. All right, folks, so here we are inside of our M4. It's insane, all that torque that you're getting, 406 torque that you're getting, two rear wheels with 6-speed manual at only 1850 RPM. It's just insane. You know what? I'm not going to talk much about the comfort and all that. It's as comfortable as it can get. But for what you're buying, it's for the fun, and that's what you're going to see. So I'm just going to shut up and I'm just going to drive. So just enjoy it. All right, folks, thank you so much for watching. So this was the drive, no BS, just fun. Hope you guys liked it, and I will recommend all of you, if you are BM fans and if you are M4 fans, must try this thing. This thing is such a beast. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. There is more and more fun content on the way.